Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm there with a balloon. It's a infant balloon, share life share fun. It has 5 pieces and these are the colors in which you could purchase, like silver, red and golden, and I've purchased in golden. All the 5 are in golden color. It's filled with or helium, means you can either fill the air or the helium, the gas balloon. It will be adjustable in both. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it and show you. See over here the color you could see, and camera please focus. Yes, not suitable for children under 36 months. Small parts, please retain packaging for future reference. So this is what they are saying, that do not give to a child which is under the age of 3. And this is how you can open it. Yeah, see, like this. And here comes the balloons. The shape is floral. Now there were heart shape also and simple round shape also, but I like this floral pattern, so I thought to purchase this in a flower shape. And this is how it looks like. Like this. Proper flower shape, as you can see. I'll show you from above. See, it's a proper flower shape as it is mentioned in the envelope. And now from where you could fill the air. So this is the part. Camera, kindly zoom. Zoom. Yeah, now from here you could fill the air and the balloon will be ready in this shape. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more my videos. Excuse me for that. But I want to tell you that I purchased these balloons only for I think 30 rupees. I got them from wholesale market, which is in Delhi. So this pack costed me 30 rupees. So if you purchase it in more price, then let me know. I'll tell you the market from where I purchased. Thank you.